Welcome back to my channel. We are back again on a new video reaction. We are here to go through some of the things that matters to us, especially what Biafra Liberation Army and Biafra Defense Force have decided to update the whole world about the activities in Biafra land today. So I'm not going to play the video direct for you to see that because of some graphic image and some obala wiki whatever. So I don't need to flash that on this video. So bear with me, but let's hear what they have to say.
Tata bụ Tuesday 12 of November ndị Arab wetara asad nke anyị na mbọsị ka a receive ya wotogodo a kụrụ ya akụọ ha nonsens ibi se ọ ji abụ ihe ha karị hapụ igwe ha wee gbapụ ọsọ bọsị igwe ha dị na main road ha hafụ ka ha esi ya wu ya ife amụọ tanka na aba weda blọk nna m gwa ya nwa dị ihe n'obi Biafra no peace a gwara dị go still receive woto see their blood here. All their blood in here. They go still collect. How they not collect you with water? I go to Kasi drag here. All their blood in here. I go to Kasi drag here. Drag here wherever. We are going to stay. No Biafra, no peace.
Okay, that's the first video. If you don't understand Igbo language, I'm sorry. I'm not going to translate this, okay? But it's all about the activities of Biafra Liberation Army and Biafran government in exile in Biafra land. So, with this video is not to promote violence, okay? I'm not here to tell you that violence is the best, no. But we need to keep ourselves updated, especially people from the Igbo tribe. Why? I have seen some people saying that oh, nothing is going on, is a lie, is this, is that. These are people that are supposed to be wearing hijab, if not for Biafran government in exile by now. And we have a second update. This one, I will not also play the video. Just hear this.
Where's my son? Yeah, what I will do for November 2024. I don't know what the numbers here. Yeah, I would do a cadra doga, do centric video. I had a year, but I was also. I just went all the good to be
Now I will show this with just for a moment, okay? So as you can see here, I just decided to flip the camera so that you'll be able to see the one of the things that they discovered after engaging exchanging love between Nigerian army and Biafran Liberation Army. So what you are seeing here is the boot of the soldier that ran away, and from Nigerian army, according to the report. I'm not there. And the person also showed, you can see the level of the bullets. Let me play it so you hear. So this is the kind of bullet. So this is the kind of bullet they used against people, just to, I don't know what they want in our land, to be honest with you, and it's very, very annoying. I don't like to see this kind of thing, but I have to give you guys update about it. So a lot is going on, and we are going to discuss other things as we move forward. So, but bear in mind that in Nigeria today, only Igbo land, okay, no, not Igbo land, let me just say south, it is 5 states they consider five southeast, because we have other Igbo land in other states that surround the 5 states, okay, like Cross River, you have Igbo speaking tribe. In Bini, you have Igbo speaking tribe. In Delta, the same thing. In in Bini, they speak their own language, is somehow different, if I'm not mistaken. Then in Kogi, they have Igbo speaking tribe. In Benue, they have. So all these states that in River State, of course, they have. So all these states that surround the so-called 5 eastern states have Igbo speaking tribe in them, but they choose to lie to everyone that you are just a dot in a circle, like Buhari made it to look like he decided to ignore the fact that Igbos are Igbos everywhere. Anyway, let's go through other things that concerns us, especially the order that Biafran Prime Minister gave few days ago, where he said that the court, judiciary system in Nigeria, all the court, the Supreme Court and the Appeal Court and all this court in Biafran land need to pack their load and go. And that order is taking effect seriously, and we're going to look into that from another person that in fact, he maybe the least person that you expect this kind of thing from. But he confessed that, and we're going to go through it. So there is a post that PM shared today, and he said, Sowore talking sense for the first time. But will his followers agree with him that Southeastern has partially left Nigeria under my leadership? After Southeast, we will retake South. That is from office of Biafran Prime Minister. And the poll that Sowore made, that made PM to say what he said, is this. Sowore said, the depth of Nigerians' ongoing deterioration has not been figured out by East people. The Northwest just added a deadly terrorist group to East cocktail. The southeastern part of Nigeria has partially left Nigeria. As we speak, several federal high courts have stopped working. Police stations, commands, and division have closed down. And today, the Court of Appeals Division in Nnewi, Enugu, and Awka have relocated to elsewhere. If you go to the outdated website of the Court of Appeal, the only case they highlighted on the front page is the case against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. When PM gave this order, it was like a joke. People don't believe it, like they normally doubt. And at the end of it all, he's not playing out to the extent that Sowore himself is reporting it. And guess what the so-called Igbos are doing? Those of them like Lizzy Kanu, and many of them, they don't understand the ingredient of what Biafran Prime Minister are cooking, like the Rock. Rock always said that you will smell what the Rock is cooking. If you are a WWE fan, you understand what I'm saying. They don't understand what is keeping them alive and what is safeguarding them. Our people are so blind that they see danger in another region, in Yoruba land, in other part of the Nigeria, for example, in the far north, where these terrorists are doing what they know how to do best, sending the origin of the land to the IDP camp. And the government couldn't do anything on that. Not 1 year, not 2 years, 3 years, counting. To tell you they're doing it deliberately. In the southeast, they are the one making sure, working hard to stop this kind of thing. Like I said before, if you think they love you, okay, you are mistaken. Like all of us have come to a realization that Igbo tribe are the only most hated tribe in the Africa, if not in the world. In Nigeria, there's no other tribe that being hated like the way they hate Igbo tribe. Yet, somebody will be there telling you that no, the Igbos are the problem. We need to allow them to, to take our land, and the police is our friend, and army is fighting for us. Knowing fully well that the same army is protecting other people in their region by allowing Fulani to take over. They are protecting, right? In your own imaginary dream, in your own imagination. The same army allow Fulani to take over those lands, those ancestral lands. And the same army, you want them to take charge of your own land. What do you think that is going to have to do to your own? If they can perpetrate those things and allow terrorists to take over the land of their own, the so-called people they love dearly, is it you that is obvious they hate you, that they're going to allow their army to protect you? These are things you need to put. 1 plus 1 is 2. Some of you are acting as if 1 plus 1 is 50. Now hear what Igbo people, how they are mocking Biafran government in exile under Biafran Prime Minister. This one may not shock you because some of you are used to hear people like this on social media. So I was thinking that only US and their group and some people are, you know, somehow myopic, but it is obvious that is in our you have a lot of them in our land. But before I play that, okay, let me play before then I will read what PM said. Now just hear this woman. I will flip the camera, don't worry. Let me see if I will flip the camera so that you will be able to hear what she said. Okay, I want you to hear how they are mocking themselves, thinking they are mocking PM. Listen. Biafra ga-ebido anyị na-anọ anyị ekwila ka ekwi na nke ikpeazụ a ịmana Simon ịkpasị ha na ọ bụ Disemba 2nd ka a ga-enwe declaration nsogbu adịghị ya gaziere gị ọzọ Biafra 147 Franklin Chukwuebuka ka nwere onwe Biafra ga-ebido nsogbu adịghị anyị na-anọ anyị ekwila ka ekwi na nke ikpeazụ a ịmana Simon ịkpasị ha na ọ bụ Disemba 2nd ka a ga-enwe declaration nsogbu adịghị ya gaziere gị ọzọ Biafra 147 Franklin Chukwuebuka. Now you see the how this woman is mocking Biafran government in exile. You see how all of three of them, but I don't know this one. This one is just like a so I don't know this person. But I know these two are the one to be responsible for this mockery. These two people here. If you are to hold anybody responsible, this woman and they are the anchor on this program. They are the one that holds the program, and they are mocking everybody. So when Northerners are mocking you, they're not Northerners and other even Yorubas understand what Biafra stand for. They know the activities like Showore. I just played the video of Showore to you with his write-up. So, but the so-called people that are benefiting, direct beneficiary of the whole thing, are mocking you. Are you agreeing? The same thing with US are saying. Are you agreeing? Are you agreeing? I don't know his tribe. I think he's speaking like Imo, or maybe from Igbo state. Or I don't know. So I don't know how to say that. But anyway, this lady here saying what she said here is in line with what the US are saying. People that are waiting for the downfall of Biafran government in Israel, they are waiting, eagerly waiting to see how the whole thing will collapse. Now, is it gonna collapse? It's no. The answer is no. But why to me I feel that they are very, very senseless is because they have said this thing many times. You say, oh, there's someone that told you that they're doing Biafran referendum. You remember when they were mocking that one also? Mocking, oh, you said that they are going to go doing referendum. I did not vote. They have confirmed that, and that one is no longer making news. They also mocked when the time Biafrans decided to form government, that he said that his prime minister self-acclaimed. No more saying self-acclaimed. And all of them, anybody that you see that is saying Simon Ekpa without adding PM to that is not with you. That's the one you need to put it in your mind. Anybody that says Simon Ekpa, if you want to write something Simon Ekpa without putting PM or Biafran Prime Minister, that person is not with you. Whether you are calling on Biafran programs, whether you are speaking with the PM, if I hear that, I always rule you out. That the person is a potential saboteur as an Igbo person or a hater of freedom. And what does name PM, what does it cause them? Does that have any negative effect in their health? I don't know. But they are yet to tell us. And now, PM replied them with this. He said, I don't know if you can see that. PM said, they are laughing at us. Oh, okay? They are laughing at us. So he's also laughed. They should maintain this laugh till the end. Let nobody come later to say everyone must support you. blah 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 blah. Grow up, people, dress up, come to radio station. Okay, grown up people dressed up come to radio station to be laughing at Simon Ekpa. Okay, oh, why? Like I said, he who laugh last, he who laugh the best. That's one of the popular proverb or adage that people normally say. Anyway, my people, I want to make a quick reaction to this, and I want you to tell me what they think. What is your take on this nonsense that the people are putting out there? Even people who are not Biafrans are keeping better record than the so-called Biafrans. But it is normal. A prophet is not well known in his own household. So, but that is not to justify the nonsense and the stupid act of these people. The same lady who was the one promoting IPOB political party, if you remember. Am I lying? Was she not the one that were putting that announcement, or are there two? I can't, because I don't know her by her face, but her words. I mean, her accent sound the same, but let's see. I think they are different. But that one is also Igbo lady as well. I'm very very sure. All of them doing gara 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 gara, all this, only Igbo tribe is as good at selling their people, getting their own, to gain love from other tribe. What a shame. Anyway, please subscribe to this channel and like the video if you can. Okay, so like the video and comment, tell me what you think about what we discussed so far. God bless you all. Bye bye for now.